Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a quick video on the Suzuki Forenza. If you want to replace your AC, it's just your connector right here. These little two tabs, just pop them. It's right here. You're gonna have to remove the shield on the passenger side. Then there's three little bolts right here, 12mm. You can loosen them up with the small socket, but you have to take them out, or at least the two in the back, with a wrench. You can get this one in the front with the ratchet. Do not remove the whole bracket. And then you have one bolt right here, another one right here, and then a third one right there, that one that I'm taking out. And I'm using a deep socket 14 and a 1/2 inch ratchet, and you can get all of them. You can get all of them from right under here. Take out the two on the top first. And once you do that, you take off your third one and it just drops right down. Super simple. And then it's just got a 13mm nut on top holding the lines right there. And that's pretty much it. I already disconnected everything. Let me finish taking this off. Just make sure you separate the bolts just in case they're different sizes. I don't even know if you guys can see. Taking off my last one here. And it just slides down. To get the tensioner, you just come under here and use I think it's a 14 wrench. Pull this way, pull towards the front, and then I just pop the belt off of the compressor. Now we're gonna install our new one. Alright, guys, and that's how simple it is. Those three, the three in front, and then the nut holding the lines. Hopefully this helps you. And then the shield is just held on by a couple plastic tabs. Take the wheel off, it'll be a lot easier. Make sure you put your jack stands. Alright, good luck. You see it's blowing cold. I could probably put a little bit more Freon and get it colder, but this is good. It's super hot out. Oh yeah.